Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out this new old stock Hershey Hartoy set. I'm not really sure exactly how old this is. I'm thinking late 80s, early 90s perhaps. If you guys know, please list it down below. I scored this off of eBay for $2.99 plus like $10 shipping. Not bad considering what I was looking for. I was trying to just purchase the silver Porsche 935 turbo. It's up in the right corner, but I scored the whole set for $3, so you can't go wrong with that. Hartoy is kind of like a lesser known brand. They usually sold at grocery stores and places like that you know, they're not, I don't know what you want to say. I guess a lot of the vehicles were unlicensed from what I can tell. But what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at this. Now it's got some issues here with the sun fading and whatnot, and the bubbles getting very discolored, I guess you want to say. The truck is actually appears to be a correct 1/64 scale size. Move this out of the way. Pretty cool for $3, huh? For all of them. Not sure if you can fit all the cars on here or not, though. I think I just blocked the whole camera with my arm, but you can almost fit all the cars on there. It looks like a Kenworth. But we'll take a look at each one of these. It comes with a Camaro, a Corvette, and a Porsche 935. Dated 1988 on the base. I would say that's probably about the time period this set is. I would venture to say. The doors open up. I mean, these are pretty cool for unlicensed vehicles. They're made in China, of course. And it's got the Earl style wheels on it. Nothing special, really. Pretty cool, though. Reese's. I don't know if it's actually a tampo on there or if they're just stickers. I think it is a tampo. I originally thought they were just like crappy stickers put on, but it is a tampo process. It appears to be for the decal. Here it says turbo on the back, which is kind of funny. But you know what, though? It actually has the turbo. It has the turbo hood on it. So maybe that's not too far off. Now, of course, the Corvette says turbo as well. I don't know what's on the paint there. That could probably be cleaned up or something on there. These are actually a lot nicer out of the box than I thought they were. So this is white with a white interior. Number 10, Hershey's. Now, of course, says turbo on the back as well. Kind of cheesy the way the back end is all black plastic, but and this is the one I bought the whole entire set just for this, because I have the Coca-Cola one and I wanted the Hershey's one. And it's definitely in tampo process. I don't think there's stickers on there. Tampo. But this essentially is it's nearly a knockoff of a Tamika, if I remember correctly. Huge whale tail, dated 88. Very cool, though. I mean, it's really nice. I don't know what this brown is on it. If that's... Oh, it's just, try to get that off. That brown was just part of the cellophane. I guess it's rotten on the front of the box. Maybe that's what's stuck on the Corvette there. But I basically paid $13 said and done for the whole set, and I was willing to pay up to probably about $15 for this car by itself, because I know what some of these are worth, and they're not worth a whole lot, but some are harder to find by themselves. And I think there was a couple on eBay before, but people wanted like $10 to $15 for one car. And I thought that was a little crazy. But so let's take a look at this Kenworth truck. I don't know, maybe that doesn't come off there. Oh, well, that's pretty cool the way that hooks on there. That's all metal. I mean, that's pretty beefy. And then we got the legs here, they fold down. That's pretty cool. This is actually pretty hefty, this Kenworth truck. Or would that be a Peterbilt? Tires look a little small for the size of the wheel wells, but it's actually pretty cool. Not too bad. This doesn't really weigh anything, but I do like the way that snaps in there. Is really nice though. Kind of shocked at how nice that really is for what I paid for everything. All right, so here we can see I'm up on the my larger auto art turntable. This is pretty much meant for a 1/18 scale car, but the trailer here and the truck just barely fits. So I would say the truck is actually a true 1/64 scale. We're so used to seeing trucks a lot smaller from Hot Wheels and Matchbox trying to be sold as 1/64 scale. But this Hartoy, I would say, if you look at it, they're right up against the scale of with the cars parked next to it. I would say it's more accurate. Let's try to get this to turn off. Pretty cool though. So there you go. That was just a quick look here at this Hartoy set, which I pretty sure it's from the late 80s, early 90s. I don't know if this was only given out to employees of Hershey or was sold, at discount stores or what. I'm not really 100% sure. I don't know. I'm still trying to find that out. It almost looks to me like this could have been something that employees could have purchased from the company store or something like that, but I'm not entirely sure yet. But I got what I wanted, which was this one here to complete to go in with my 935s in my case. So I'm pretty happy about that. These other two were kind of like bonuses, and they seem to fit fairly well by themselves here on the trailer, because really all three they don't quite fit. So that looks good like that. We'll just go ahead and end the video that way. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this type of video, be sure to give me a share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it free. It can be free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. I'm surprised my voice just went that far considering I'm sick. Oh my, that was a long one. All right, have a good night. See you guys later. Bye now.